my cheese puffs, and welcome to a brand new video. And today I will be showing you how to make one of these. Yeah, one of those. Yeah, one of those. They're ice fidget spinners if you don't know. Come on. They're ice fidget spinners if you don't know, and I will show you how to make them. So let's get straight to the video. So if you have a fidget spinner just laying around your house with the box, take out this thing, the plastic thing right here, and go to one of your water supplies, and then turn the sink on, and fill it up. Just like that. And then turn around and put it down and open up your refrigerator or freezer, I should say. And then put it in, which I am very, very bad at doing. And then wait. Like seriously, just wait. A very, 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 long time. About a million hours. And then go back to your fridge, open it up. Wait, what is that? Oh my goodness. I never even knew that would work. So yeah. Oh, and I recommend putting soap inside there so it comes out quickly, so you can just dump it out. And I made a bunch of these. Oh, one's up in my room. So yeah, guys, that's how you make one of these.